Data engineers spend 40% of their time writing ad hoc queries for the business team. Marketers wait for days just to find answers that should take minutes. Hi, I am Bhushan Vayude and this is DataFlow AI, the platform that frees data engineers from the repetitive work while empowering business teams with the self-service analytics. Connect your database, set up real-time pipelines, and let anyone query data in plain English. Data engineers get their time back, business team get instant insights, everyone wins. Let me show you how. Let me log in with the Google account. Once you log in, you will see the dashboard and there are multiple options to start with. Data sources is the main thing because you need to set up the data source in order to extract the data. So I already added few for the demo purpose. Let's create a pipeline using AI assistant. So I have one message as a user requirement. Let me try with this message and see what we get. And we see the budget for this pipeline. So this is the monthly budget and this is the daily. So based on that, you can make a decision where you need to shut down, maybe pause the pipeline and do the cleanup. The kind of last step where you will see the all the summary, what is the type topic we are creating, schema registry and ClickHouse table. Even the and set up the alert. Let's see the pipeline here. Now you see danger zone here, which is the one click setup to do the cleanup. Let's start the pipeline. You can see all the pipeline events. To conclude, DataFlow AI is infrastructure setup in minutes, analytics and insights in seconds, engineers unblock. Thank you.